So a good friend of mine started working with my coach this week, and she was showing me her check-ins, and she was kind of needing help with the check-ins. So I figured, why not make a video? First things first, you're going to need a bikini, the bottoms and the top, or you can use a sports bra at the top if you want, then your heels. First thing I do when I wake up in the morning on check-in days is strip down booty ass naked and weigh myself. I would definitely recommend getting a tripod because it literally will make your check-ins 1,000 times easier. I would say always at least behind a blank wall or door. So this is where I'm going to do them for now, and then I'm going to show you where I actually take them. As you can see, there's lots of natural lighting. The lighting is just super important. So I'm right in front of my camera, as you can see. I'm going to go and get into position. If you don't know your position, start off facing this way. Put this left foot or your right foot, whichever one is your better foot or your better glute, okay? Facing that way. I turn the foot kind of where the walls connect, if that makes sense. Left hand on the stomach. You can do it down here by your hip or up here. This arm is going to shape the glute. So you don't want to be like this. You want to make sure you're turning those shoulders. Okay. That's what she looks like. Let us keep going. Next, your coach is probably going to want a front-facing photo. Basically, if you're facing the front, I just put this leg in the back, turn my glute a little bit, and then I switch arms. So I'm shaping the glute again because the glute is poking this way. Back pose. Feet, shoulder width apart. Turn your toes out just a little bit. You're going to place your hands in your hips. Shoulder width, toes pointed out, knees bent a little bit, and go ahead and do your hands. And you want to make sure your elbows are kind of tugged in towards you. Not like this, but like this. As you can see, my bathroom door is now open because that's where I actually take my check-ins. I keep this door open. You'll see what I do. And the reason I do that is because something with the shadowing, I don't know, my last coach taught me this and I've been doing it ever since because it seems like they look better. So now we obviously need to send all this information over to our coach. I always do mine on my computer because my coach has us fill out this document thing. I'm one step ahead of you. I already filled mine out. I'm going to go ahead and airdrop my computer those photos and then I'm going to send it. So that right there should have been everything you possibly need to know on how to send a check-in to your coach. Okay, hope this helped. Bye.